Here's going to be the process of using Solid-CIM to export DXF files for Cutrite. Open your model in Solidworks. There's some messages here, but they're not real important here. We're going to look at the parts, and I see material not specified. So if the material isn't specified, we're just going to group things together by their thickness. Here under Solid-CIM settings, I can export DWG, DXF, or both. So I'll export those parts out, and I'm going to ignore things smaller than 4 inches, thicker than 2.5, or thinner than 0.2, so you have these settings to ignore things. It's just going to be one button click, and that will process these parts and create layered DXF files for us. The parts will turn green and create this CSV file. It's like an Excel spreadsheet. And there's our DXF files ready to output to Cutrite. And the CSV file Cutrite can import has the name of the part, the material, the quantity, the panel dimensions, and then here's the individual XYZ panel dimensions. All this data goes right to Cutrite, and there's geometry on different layers ready to go. It leaves you in the drawing here. You can do some neat stuff with this. For example, there's an expand view command that lets you move your mouse and explode the parts out like an exploded view. And because it's AutoCAD, you can use move and copy and make your own explosions furthermore. And it could also lay the parts out flat with one click. And there you could see the geometry on the different layers. For example, if I erase the solid, here's what it did. It made a circle on layer whole with the depth of cut. It made a polyline on layer outside, again with the depth of cut. That's the step that saves you the most amount of time. These DXF files are ready to go right to Cutrite right now. Thanks for taking a look. Our webpage, sim-tech.com. If you want to get some more information, all our products are right here. Thank you.